Well, we could figure out what this number is right here. 23, 3 spaces for 23. We got 8 and 9 already. This has to be a 6. This is going to be an 8 or a 9. 8 or a 9. It's my opinion that 4th graders should be able to do this. These are the first ones in the book. On the sheet I gave you 2 of the very easy ones. And then I moved to the next level up. There's 4 levels. I went from level 1 to level 2, so they're going to be a little bit harder. We'll see if you can do any of those. How about this number?
97.
Can't use the 8 because we cannot repeat. Don't have a lot of rules in this game. Let's jump over here for a while.
1, 2, 1, 2. One, 3. So 1, 3.
Can't use the 2 because,
Repeat. No repeat. So
all right, we got a 1 here.
2. 1. 4.
Okay, well, where do we go from there? Well, let's try up here. 1, 2, 3 empty spaces. It equals 23, 6, 8, 9. How about 6 going to work in this one?
No.
Well, no, it won't.
Because it'd be 6 plus 10, and 10 is not a single digit. 8 going to work? So this has to be? Which
9.
makes this?
7.
All right. 14. Can't be 7 plus 7.
No.
8 plus 6.
It could be 8 and 6. It could be 5 and 9. No, it could be 5 up there and 9 down here.
69.
Where are we going to go? Let's look at 29. We already have the 7. We got the 8 and the 9, so this is?
69.
5.
Now you can figure out what this one is.
7.
7.
7. 4.
No, it can't be 7.
Want to be 7?
The other one's 7.
Well, let's see.
It has to be 5.
What?
Uh-uh.
17, 22, 28 plus 4 is 32. Okay, where do we go next? We have an 8 and a 9 here. Some of you know what, some of you are very rude. I'm sorry this isn't at the top of your list, but it might be something you could enjoy doing. I don't think it's going to challenge you. Well, maybe it will challenge your brain. And that was not a compliment. $29, 5, 7, 8, 9. We got the 5 and the 7. The 6 isn't going to work. Therefore, the 8's not going to work. We're trying for 23. What was that, a 5? 5 ain't going to work. 23 was 6, 8, and 9. So that's a 6. That's an 8. This is an 8. Let's see, 15, 20, that's a 9. 17, 18, 19, 21. 22, 23. 9, 13, 19, 6, and 8. And we finished it. You shouldn't find these difficult. I still don't think they're difficult. It's just whether the person is willing to try one. Number 2 is on here. It should be as simple as that one was. I got numbers 44 and 45 on here. Expect them to be a little bit harder. The level changes The first ones are called delicious.
Delicious?
Mmm.
I don't understand them at all.
But the second ones are called pernicious.
What?
Would you look at that there?
I see an easy place to start on number 2 would be at the very top.
Hey, Devin, can I borrow a pencil?
No.
No, I don't have any.
This is my only one.
There's a couple of others that I could give you, I guess, as you're working on that.
You have an extra pencil?
Yeah.
Alright.
If you have 4 digits and you need 10, the only way you can get it is if you need 11, there's only one way to get it with 4 digits. And let's see, I gave you 30, 23, 24, 30. I think that's probably enough to get done with what you're working on.
Alright.
So as you look at number 2, did you figure out those top 2 numbers yet? 17's got to be an 8 and a 9. 16, you can't use the 8 there.
9 and 5.
So it's going to be an 8 and a 9, and under the 9 is going to be a 7. That's all you can do there right now. Down at the bottom, we'll jump down there. I see a 4. That's got to be a 1 and a 3. Right above that, I see a 3.
1 and 2.
So what goes where?
Over to the top of the figure. Nope. Use that.
You said 1 and 2. So the 2 is the top one, and the 1 is next to the 4. And next to the 1 will be a 3.
I see.
Okay, where do we go next? I guess we can go to the left-hand side. I see a 3, that's 1 and 2. I see a 4, so you can't put a 2 down there. So it's 2, 1. And next to the 1 is a 3. I see an 11. That means these 3 numbers have to be used, because there's 4 empty boxes under the 11. That's the only way you can get 11, is with 1, 2, 3, and 5. And we use the 3, so those other ones have to be a 1, 2, and 5.
Give me a headache.
And let's see, what else can we do? I saw an 11 down there at the bottom also. And I think we put a 2 in that one. So we had a 1, 3, and 5 left over. See if anybody breaks loose with the rest of it. Somebody get another number? I should have written these in so I know what we have.
I don't even know we have.
I think we've done that much at this point.
Yes, that's right.
So now what else can we do? 11. 1, 2, 3, 5. Well, I just looked at this one here and I said 11 coming down. I've got a 2 and a 3, so all that's left is a 1 and a 5 in that box right there. But then I notice if I say 11, well, 5 plus 2 is 7, but I got another box there yet. So it can't be a 5, can't use 0. So it has to be a 1. So this is a 1, this is a 5.